What's up, my dudes? Sometimes we learn the hard way. I lost all four of my goats. Talk about a failure. But then Billie came home, and with her came something unexpected. A woman I had never met before not only gave my goat back, but gave me these hog panels so I could rebuild. Her generosity turned my failure into a second chance. This video isn't just about building a goat pen, it's a testimony. How a simple act of selflessness can completely shift someone's whole path. So I'd like to dedicate this video to my new friend. Don, thank you. You didn't just return a goat. You exemplified what it means to be a great neighbor. A reminder that there's still good in the world and that we all have a chance to be a part of it. Thank you. Welcome to the channel. You're watching Smart Spark from deep in the heart of Sather Leone. We keep it real, we keep it simple. You can't help but say, holy shit. Shit's amazing. Okay, so here we are. You come in right here. I'm going to put a little gate here. This is where they'll be able to come in and go out. Anyway, it circles all the way around. And then in the next video, I'm going to build the barn, I guess you'd call it. And it's going to go from this tree back to that tree, over to that tree, back to here. And I'll put the lid about 6 foot up, and it'll slope down to about 4 foot in the back. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching.